Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be trying out for the very first time the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Replenish and Strengthen Hair Mask for dry and damaged hair. Now I paid $50.95 for this and I got it at Pennywise. Be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications to be notified every time I upload a video. I like the consistency of my deep conditioners to be really thick. I also like it to be extremely moisturizing, and a bonus is if it has some ingredients that would also be strengthening. I like that when I use it, it creates a lot of slip so that I can easily detangle my hair, because in my wash process I don't use a comb, right? So it's finger detangling, so I need that to create some slip in my hair so that I can easily detangle and avoid excessive breakage. The product says Cream of Nature Pure Honey Collection is infused with a blend of pure honey, certified natural coconut oil and shea butter. This collection targets dry, dehydrated hair to provide essential moisture, softness, smoothness where the hair needs it without weighing it down. So the consistency, as I like, is really thick. Okay, it kind of coming out but it is thick and I like the scent. This scent may not be for everybody but I like it. I'm done with application and I could already detangle my hair freely, so that means it's giving a lot of slip, which usually indicates that it is really moisturizing. But after I put on my shower cap and take a little time, I'll really know how moisturizing it is. But honestly, this feels really good already, and so far I am impressed with this product. So I am going to just put all my hair back, pin it up, shower cap on, and I'll be back in an hour. Okay, so I just washed out the deep conditioner from my hair, and the overall feel is one that is moisturized, but it doesn't necessarily feel strengthened. You know, when you just do a protein treatment, you feel that kind of strengthening. Even though it said that, it didn't really. My hair doesn't feel in any way strengthened, but it does feel moisturized, and it did provide a lot of slip so that my hair could detangle easily without using a comb or anything like that. In terms of shine, to be honest, I feel like this is how my hair usually looks. The only time I can really tell shine is when I put like gel or like a certain product on my hair. but my hair looks its usual shine. So overall for this product, I would give it, I feel like when it was actually in my hair that it was feeling so moisturizing, but now my hair feeling kinda normal. So I'm a little bit disappointed. I feel like my hair would have feel a little bit better. So I think overall for this first try, I would give this like a, okay, so before I wash it out, I would give it like a 8. Now I feel like I would give it probably like a 6.5, 7. But it's not a bad product overall. I wouldn't call it a bad product. It just didn't wow me as how I thought it would have.